Hello, I want to teach you how to add your bank information if you are selling on Kobo Writing Live. So you go to these three dots, this three line up here. You go to payment information. Make sure you already have your US account. If you are a Nigerian, then you go to this bank information, add. Okay, so you have to choose the location of the bank, so which is I'm going to choose United States of America. Then I'll have to fill something. So this one is your routing number. So I'll go to where I will copy my routing number from. So copy my routing number. And I will come back here and paste it. Okay. Then select your branch from the results. That's by address. So I can, if you don't know, you can go back to confirm to be sure. Here you have to select the address. So if you don't know the address, you can go back to where your bank information is and copy the bank name. So I put it here now. So I have it here, so I can choose this one. Then the account number. So I'll go back to here to copy the account number. The account number. I'll copy, go back here and paste. Then account holder. So I know that I want everything to be okay, so I will come here and copy the account holder name. Now I'll come here and paste. Okay, so cross check everything that everything is okay, so you can now save changes. So you can look at here and see whether everything is okay. So this is the data, your bank data in case of payments in your Kobo Writing Live account. That's how you can be able to do it. You can still edit if there is any mistake, or you can also make changes. Thank you for watching.